Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many iPhone users' hearts: fixing the iPhone 16's motherboard with reballing. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are the latest additions to Apple's lineup, and they're packed with cutting-edge technology. However, like any electronic device, they're not immune to issues. One common problem is a malfunctioning motherboard. Thankfully, there's a solution: reballing. This process involves removing the old solder and replacing it with new solder, essentially giving the motherboard a fresh start. Now, let's talk about the cost. It's important to note that reballing isn't a cheap fix, but it can save you from having to replace your entire iPhone. So, if you're facing motherboard issues with your iPhone 16, consider this as a viable option. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.